Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut. Let's begin. Stretching images or videos in CapCut is a simple process that can help you fit your media to specific aspect ratios or create a more dynamic visual effect. For example, if you're working with a different scheme, ratios, or measurements, stretching helps fit your content to the desired situation. All right. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to click the project that you are working once you open the CapCut app, and then click that to begin editing. But if you don't have any project yet, just click the create a new project to begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm just focusing on this specific elements that I have here. Right? Now, if you want to stretch your images, for example, you need to go to the overlay or click the elements right here so that you can see how many layers do you have. Right now, my photo right here, it's kind of like limited. It's not synchronized because my whole video runs around 20 seconds. It is 22 seconds. But the thing is, the image only runs around like 2 seconds if you click on play. So it runs around 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. So if you want to stretch that, just click, or just place your finger on the white box at the very end of your picture or the photo, and you just have to drag it all the way here so the photo will be stretched alongside the length of the video. Alright, so now if we play it from the very beginning, what will happen is they will be in sync. Alright, so they have like a same duration and length now. Now if you want to stretch the video right here, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one is going to be placing both of your fingers on the video, and of course pulling them left and right so you can zoom it and stretch it all the way here. And of course, you can just rearrange the video that you want. And of course, when you stretch that, you can also create multiple copies of it by clicking the copy and then place it entirely here on the canvas. I'm gonna stretch it like this one right here, and then place it accordingly, and then I'm gonna play it from the very beginnings. And as you can see, that's how you stretch images and videos in CapCut. And once you're happy, just click the export button on top of your screen. You can send it to your client for feedback, or if you want to save a copy for yourself, you're welcome to do that. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.